How to henna brows. Step 1. Clean the brows with Supercilium Matcha and Mint Cleanser to remove excess oil from the skin. Step 2. Mix 2 spatulas or 1.25 gram measuring spoon full of henna with 18 to 25 drops of eucalyptus color developer until a smooth substance is achieved. Lighter colors need 25 to 30 drops, darker colors need 18 to 25 drops. Wait 5 minutes prior to using. It's important that the henna is not too runny. Step 3. Apply a layer of henna to the skin with the angled brush. Press or stamp the paint into the eyebrow until all skin is covered. Make sure you create sharp lines. Step 4. You can correct small mistakes using our tint remover gently on a cotton swab. Step 5. Remove the henna from the inside of the eyebrows after 3 to 5 minutes for an ombre effect with a damp, not too wet cotton pad with water. If the color is still too light, reapply and leave on for another 3 to 5 minutes. And finally, remove the rest of the henna after 15 to 20 minutes. The longer the tint sits, the better it will penetrate into the skin and the longer the effect will last. For longest lasting results, don't clean henna-dyed brows for at least 12 hours after treatment. Try to use as little as possible of cleansing products. Oil-based skincare products and scrubs will also cause the color to fade, so keep that in mind.